Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now, I will make my thoughts about Sbmptn question by April Yani Tridiati. Okay, next to the question. Okay, supply chain weakness were brought to the forefront during the COVID-19 pandemic, especially for industries relying on electronics, as the flow of raw materials slowed or sometimes stopped. On top of that, shifting consumer values and tougher environmental regulations have resulted in more people buying hybrid vehicles. The batteries in these cars require rare minerals that, depending on their supplies, can have volatile and unpredictable price. However, there are other scarce elements and materials, depending on their supplies, that may be used in smaller amounts in hybrid models versus conventional gas vehicles, raising the questions of how these vehicles will compare with regard to supply chain vulnerabilities. Randolph Kirchain and colleagues want to develop a comprehensive comparison of the elements and components to go into all the parts in a gas-powered, self-charging hybrid and plug-in hybrid cars, calculating each of the three vehicles' materials cost vulnerability. Their research collects information on the compound in the more than 350,000 parts to build 7 vehicles from the same manufacturer with different levels of electrification, including 4 sedans and 3 sport utility vehicles SUV-S. Then, they calculate the amount of the 76 chemical elements present as well as a few other materials in each car type to develop a monetary metric for vulnerability. The team consider the weight of each component along with its average price and price relativity between 19 and 98 and 215. The results showed that self-charging hybrid and plug-in hybrid vehicles have twice the raw material cost rates, the largest contribution to increase in our cost rates were battery-related elements such as cobalt, nickel, graphite, neodymium. The research say that manufacturers ramp electric vehicle production to meet demand. Reducing the raw material cost rise with long-term supply contracts, substituting some material or reselling others will be a good idea. Okay, from the question, how does the author organize the ideas in paragraph 1 and paragraph 2? The option is A. Paragraph 2 exemplifies issues stated in paragraph 1. Option B. Paragraph 2 contains a solution to the issue addressed in paragraph 1. Option C. Paragraph 2 asserts the weakness of hybrid vehicles explained in paragraph 1. Option D. Paragraph 2 reveals the reason behind the research on vehicles introduced in paragraph 1. Option E. Paragraph 2 explains further about research on gas-powered and hybrid vehicles mentioned in paragraph 1. Okay, the explanation. The question asking about relation between paragraph 1 and paragraph 2 on the text. Paragraph 1 discussed a research effort to compare the component of fuel-powered cars with hybrid cars. This research is based on the unclear impact that both types of vehicles have on the volatility of the electronic supply chain. Meanwhile, paragraph 2 describes how the research was conducted. Thus, paragraph 2 explains more about the research mentioned in paragraph 1, so that option E is correct. Choice A. Paragraph 2 exemplifies the problem stated in paragraph 1. And option B. Paragraph 2 contains a solution to the problem discussed in paragraph 1 are incorrect because the second paragraph doesn't provide an example or contain a solution to the problem present in the first paragraph. Choice C. Paragraph 2 emphasizes the weakness of hybrid vehicles explained in paragraph 1 isn't incorrect. The first paragraph doesn't mention the weakness of hybrid vehicles, so it's correct to say that the second paragraph emphasizes the weakness of these vehicles. Next, option D, paragraph 2 reveals the rationale behind the research on the vehicle introduced in paragraph 1. This is incorrect because the second paragraph doesn't convey the rationale behind the research present in the first paragraph. The rationale is actually conveyed in the first paragraph, so the correct answer is D. So, from the explanation, we